What's up, Baby Nation? Today I'm going to be playing some Subway Surfers again. And not really that exciting, but yay! Today, this week is Subway Surfers week.
Man, Subway Surfers is trash. We're still playing that week.
Subway Surfers week.
What? Alright, start up again.
Oh yes, I've always wanted these. The multiplier. What? Stupid multipliers don't do none. Stupid. Right there, that got a purple 15. Like, what's that gonna help with? There it goes. It's running out already. Watch me get another multiplier. Oh no! Double jump. Hey. Hey, everyday lemonade. I love. Who doesn't love lemonade? Because if you don't love lemonade, then you're not friends. Because lemonade is pretty good. Comment down who, like, what's your favorite animal? Like, what is your favorite animal? And don't say yourself, because that's trash. So comment down your favorite animal, your favorite color, and the first letter in your name, I guess. Optional, doesn't matter.
Don't touch it. Oh, see, now I don't have enough.
Oh yeah, 389 ain't bad. Not bad, not bad. Oh, how did I miss that? Oh, 4, that's not bad either. I'm getting good at this game.
Yeah. I've got a machine gun and you've got an assault rifle, but you still got a machine. Oh, this is intact. You trying to go on this?
I'm sorry, guys. I do not know what I just did. I'm not sure if I tried to jump or what. But it was kind of trash. Let's go faster. Faster, you dumb little skateboard thing.
Go check the countdown.
Whatever that is.
Sorry here. Oh, where'd you throw that thing?
I got double jump speed,
yeah.
baby.
I guess I'll just
Double jump speed, baby. Double jump. Oh, dang it, I died. But 928, not bad. Not bad. Yes. Money. Yes. 28,000. Yes. And a new high score, too. Yes.
Well,
do I have now?
That kind of.
Still 20,000, but more than I had.
One didn't bring to eat in here. So okay, something to drink, yes, but God didn't want to do that. We will not have food. These peasants not have food. I just heard a car start up.
What the heck just happened? Sorry if you guys are barking in the background. That's my dog barking at somebody who's coming up the stairs.
But I've got too much food. Alright, whatever. I'm ready to go. I'm not getting back on the motorbike. That's a no. So where's 2, bro? How many gym eggs do you have on you? Alright, how many 50 rounds do you got? Now you know what I do? I want to put this in the work. And when I say work, I mean like.
I love how the bridge is so rainbow. Nice and cute. I love the flowers. I like how all the petals are falling. It's cute. Mystery thing. I knew it just because of the height of the thing. Ah, dang! It's okay, Lucy.
Should we try and read hustle them?
Oh, double your coins. Okay. Seems like a good deal. Let's see what we have here. Characters. What characters? Oh, goodness, no, another one.
Oh, I heard that one. That's down here, so. Some Skyjack Reborn. Is there Skyjack Reborn in here? Cover me. Someone send me a message. He said team, so we? Can't you kill me if you shot me?
Hey guys, if I die this time, it might actually be the end of my video because, gotta keep everything short, gotta keep everything short. I might just make a whole nother video. And it's Subway Surfer week. Actually, nah, I'm gonna go for Subway Surfer day because, yeah. Ooh! I selected this.
I said nah, but I'm stacked on guns. That's what I said to him.
Oh no! So this got a mystery things would say. When did I get this?
I said I'm stacked on guns. I didn't say I was I said nah, but I'm stacked on guns.
Yeah, this is Subway Surfer day. Tomorrow will be. I don't know. Actually, now we're not gonna do that yet because I have a bunch of other things planned, and also because I'm gonna probably play Slither later. After this video. Oh.
There's a guy right here. Holy cow.
Gonna have to do all the editing, which is a very easy process. And then I just post my video, I do my intro, I make my intro, blah, blah, blah. And yes, I did actually make my intro, but not the background. Just the wording and stuff,
No, I don't.
So, I think I made a video talk about like favorite YouTubers and I said like Logan Paul and Jake Paul was trash. I mean, I didn't mean like trash, like they're really, really bad. Just mean like I don't like. I'm not trying to be rude or disrespectful, but I'm not really a Jake Pauler or a Logan Pauler either. I'm really like I don't really like the Martinez twins. I like the Dobry brothers. Don't like Tessa Brooks. Okay, anybody from Team 10, no disrespect, but I don't really like anybody from Team 10.
Alright, I've still got 4 mags left. 3 of them are full. One's down to, what's his name?
Only because they came out with that song is Every Day, bro. And now in all of Jake, like in like any video Jake Paul's in, like a music video, he's always gonna say it's every day, bro. It's like, okay, it's every day, bro. With that Disney Channel flow, like, don't nobody care. Like, is he even still on Disney Channel?
Oh, I'm dead. No. Oh.
Like, his brother Logan is wanted by the Japanese police because he's being stupid, filming a dead freaking hanging body. Anybody would even like Logan Paul after that.
Believe that. Bro. I'm finding all that crap back, yo. I had 2 machine guns.
Dang it.
Stacked on ammo.
I'm not gonna waste my keys. Yes, money. Got that money. Money. Okay, I'm gonna double up. I made it to 30,000, but I'm not gonna get like Tasha or Natasha, whatever her name was. I'm not gonna get her yet because I want to just, win some more money, and then I'll get her. Ooh, excuse me. Didn't mean to burp all up in the camera. Oh, excuse me. I ate mad pretzels. I want to at least be left with a decent amount of money. 1 second, I will be back, guys. DJ, oh yes, I'm gonna be left with a decent amount of money. At least 1,000. Okay.
What? Yeah.
Oh dang it, I died. Okay. Whoa, mystery box. Okay, let's get, I don't know. Characters, who can we get? Could get him. Oh no, I can't. Oh yeah, I get. It's 12,000. But really, Tagbot? That dude's 80,000. He's too much. He's worth a lot of money. Look at this girl, Utani. She looks similar to her, not because they're of Asian persuasion, but because their faces are very similar. What? Time to get Tasha. You unlocked Tasha. Yeah, that's right. Work it, girl. Work it. That's right. I rule. Let's get it. Well, let's use some Tasha. See how good she is. See how good she is at running. Oh God, she runs weird. Who the heck runs like that with their arms? Look at her arms flapping there. Oh God. Look the way her legs move. They're moving like spaghetti noodles. Look at that. Did you see those spaghetti noodles, though? Yeah, look at them spaghetti noodles. And, bye, guys.